Hey developers, welcome back to Developers. I'm Amin and today I'm going to talk about how we can access JavaScript board in JS6 and React.js project. Stay with me and as always do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for your subscribe guys. Thanks for supporting me and now let's go. Welcome to the course. Now we know how we can add CSS file and CSS in React.js project. But today, in order to add JavaScript board in JS6, know that we need to use curly braces. But before going any further, I want to do a little bit cleanup and remove something like these extra bulk components like this from here. And actually, I would want to switch from these three components, image, title and author, to one component, but know that it's up to you to keep these three separate components and you can definitely do it. So I want to switch these to one component and put image from here, and of course about this heading one, put as title and these paragraph instead of author. So I remove these components and save our project. See that we have the same result, and actually I want to remove these style from here. Know that I do not like to work with inline styles in our project. So I remove it from here and I should add it in our CSS file. I think it was this color hashtag 6170D and 98, and we don't have any letter spacing. It was font size 0.75 rem and actually margin top it was 0.25 rem. So let's back to our index.js file and start working with our JavaScript in JS6. As I said, if we want to access JavaScript in our JS6 and React.js application, we need to use curly braces. And now I want to start with this heading one and replace it with some kind of variable value, and I want to put it here. To name and define a variable, we should start with const, and our variable name, I want to put it title. Title, and it's gonna be equal to what text we have, and it is this: I love you to the moon and back. We should set it up as a string and put this text from here to our variable. And if we want to use this variable in our heading one, it's so simple. As I said, we should use curly braces and just put this variable name here. As you can see, we can have it in our web browser. About this paragraph, know that we can even name our variable and put it outside our function, and I want to name it const author, and it's gonna be equal to this text. So I put it here and we should use it in our curly braces. This is the rule of JS6, and like this. It's all about using JavaScript board in JS6 and React.js application, but there's something else and I want to talk about it. We put this paragraph, and know that if you want to define a variable here, for example, let x equal to 1, we have an error here because it's not true and it doesn't work for you, but something like this, for example, 6 plus 6, when we save it, we have 12 here. You can use your variable, something like this, but I want to remove it from here, and we have the variable that we have defined for our project. This is the way how we can use JavaScript in JS6 and React.js application. Our video is at the end, and in this video I have tried to cover how we can use JavaScript in JS6. In our Next video, I will talk about props in React.js that is so important, and do not lose our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and of course put your like and your nice comments for me. Be nice, guys, and farewell, developers.